Good morning, crew. Welcome to another week of learning. I'm excited to show you what you need to do this week and to remind you that your priorities should be English, reading, and math, and iReady in all of those. Get your 45 minutes in this week. So, with that in mind, let's hear what you have to do. Eighth grade, let's start with your math. So, of course, you've got your iReady, as I just said. You've also got your Ready Math instruction pages 200 to 208, and your practice pages 229 to 232 and 235 to 240. Remember that there's a lot of resources to help you out. There's videos for every single lesson in your Google Classroom. There is your homework help meetups Monday through Friday from 11:30 to 12:15 with Miss Bounce, and both teachers are willing to help with if you email them. Now for ELA, you have your 8th grade book hangout with Miss Harris on Tuesday from 2 to 3. Now she wanted us to specifically bring up today that you don't have to do the reading beforehand. You can actually read with the group and do your To Kill a Mockingbird reading there with Miss Harris. So if you're worried because you haven't done it yet, that's okay. Additionally, this week, speaking of To Kill a Mockingbird, you are finishing the book, reading chapters 25 to 31, and that's really exciting. So finish that up. Don't forget your iReady as well for reading, and for writing, you're going to be doing something a little differently. You're going to be doing your 6-word stories. Now, 8th graders, you should remember this from past years. There's going to be a list of 6-word stories on the Google Classroom to look at. You're going to answer the questions, what can I infer about the author of the story based on what they've written? And then you're going to write your own. So next is science. With science, you're going to be comparing maps of resources in Utah with a simple geological map of Utah and look for patterns in things like distribution. All the work for that's going to be in your Google Classroom. That should be pretty interesting. And for social studies, you're going to be going on a virtual field trip. Mr. Stanley is going to provide you a list of places to go. It's like cities all around the world, and he's got some questions like, why did you choose it? What kind of food do they eat? And you get to learn about the place, watch some videos about it. It should be really cool. All the resources are in your Google Classroom. Additionally, there's going to be a history hangout Tuesday from 1 to 1:30. He's going to teach you some stuff about history, and it should be really good. For PE, keep making sure that you're staying active, you're doing what you need to, exercising every single day, and especially joining Mr. Sterland on his live sessions. There's yoga from 12 to 12:25 on Wednesday. There's cardio from 12:35 to 1 on Wednesday. He spaced them out a little bit more to give you a chance to catch your breath and to switch if you didn't want to do one or the other. Now for art with me. This week, I would like you to finish your landscape. And 8th graders, please keep working on your ceiling tile if you're planning on doing that. I don't know if we're going to be able to get into the school, so just doing something on a 2x2 square would be great. But for your landscape project, please keep working on that. This week should be the week where you color it, paint it, shade it, whatever it is. Make sure you're going to the same place that you went to last time. And remember, we have our draw along drop-ins on Thursday from 1 to 2. For digital literacy, you'll need to still do your 15 minutes of typing.com a week. And additionally, there's going to be an article in your Google Classroom about how to present well over video using things like Google Meet. And that's going to be important for you to read so that you are ready to go with your passage portfolio. And then, same as last time, there's going to be a meet on Friday at 1 p.m. to continue talking about doing well with your passage portfolio. Discovery this week is a fun, exciting activity where you're going to test a theory about gravity making you shorter or taller. The information, including a video to watch, is in the email, so check that out. And also, of course, every single day we have crew. We've got it Tuesday through Friday, and We do our greeting, reading initiative, and a pack challenge, and it's really fun. So I look forward to seeing you in crew, and I will see you there tomorrow.